Hello, welcome back. Let's design this simple uppercase letter F logo in CorelDraw where there are some horizontal bars and then this short stem that construct the letter F, and then some corners will also be rounded. So let's start creating one. Click on the rectangle tool to start creating the first two horizontal bars. Just like these. Shorten it down and then copy and paste this to create the stem. Make sure that the length is the same as the width. Just like this. Afterwards, you round the corners. Click on a rectangle. And then afterwards, change the size of the top left corner and the bottom right corner into 1,500 will do. Or 1,600 will do. Same goes for this rectangle or this bar. And for the stem as well. Afterwards, click on the freehand tool to create a vertical line, and then afterwards hold the left click button, head over to virtual segment, delete, and then erase this line, and then afterwards use the smart fill tool to color the areas enclosed by the lines and the curvy lines, just like these. And then afterwards right click, order to back of page, right click, order to back of page, right click, order to back of page, and then delete the lines that constructed the shape. I mean these closed curves. And then you're done making this uppercase letter F logo just like this. Easy, isn't it? You can further, do some tweaks with the size by selecting some nodes and then hold the shift key so that it's extended, and then you can even color it. Select them all and then right click on this one so that there are no more outlines, and then you can give it some gradient with any color that you want. Click on the interactive fill tool, drag it like this, and then change it into elliptical fountain fill. And then, you want to do a light blue kind of, color, just like this. Then for this one, you hold the control key and then drag it like this so that there's this horizontal gradient. Let's say if you want to do it like this, same goes here. And then you're done, giving it a shade, just like this. Pretty easy, eh? That's it about how you can create a simple letter F logo in CorelDraw, a designing program just like this. So thanks for watching. Give it a like, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.